of Scholarship Award, first place regional level, BSP GSP Confidence Contest, with honors. Bagoli Mateo T, Conduct Awardee, Perfect Attendance Awardee, Catholic Cordova Cooperative School recipient, Medal at
picture
with high honors.
Okay, para maklaro. Madugay kita ni
Bayawa Christian Conduct Awardee, Catholic Cordova Cooperative School recipient of Scholarship Award, first place regional level.